Hi there, it's Tim Carter here from Bush Agribusiness. We've put together this short video today to show you how to use the Breedplan database to identify seed stock producers and specific bulls that meet your genetic selection criteria. So we're going to start by opening up the Breedplan website. Once we're in the home page, you want to open up the search and login area of the website, which brings up the listing of all the different breed societies. We then need to narrow that down and find the breed that we're looking for and click on that search button. So this brings up the animal inquiry page where we can enter the search criteria for the bulls that we're looking for. So in this example, we're going to start by entering the birth year of the bulls we're seeking. We're also going to select male only for the search just to narrow down the criteria. There's a number of different other characteristics here that we can enter if we want. We'll go down to the EBV traits, which are all listed here. And this is where we can set our hurdles for any of the EBV traits that we're interested in. So the breed averages for each trait are listed on the right-hand side, but to get a better reference point for setting our hurdles, it's a good idea to open up the percentiles for the breed, which we can access through this button here. So on this page now, we can see a table that shows the percentile bands for the Brahman breed. What we're looking at here is the index figures for each percentile band. So in this search example, we're going to use the JAPOX index. So for the top 20% of Brahman breed, we need JAPOX index figures to be $45 or better. So we're going to take that 45 and we're going to enter that here as our minimum for the JAPOX index search criteria. So now that we've got our search criteria entered in, we can run this search by clicking on this search button. And this has generated a listing of all the bulls that meet our search criteria, which is summarized at the top here. We can see only male animals born in the year 2020 with JAPOX index of $45 or better. We can also see up here, but at the moment, only 15 of those are showing. So we want to show all the animals that meet that criteria on this page. So it's important to click on Show All Entries here. So now that that updated page is loaded, it's showing all the animals that meet that search criteria. We can see that in the top left-hand corner now. It's showing all 1,660 animals. What we can also do to tidy up this table a little bit is hide these percentages that appear for each trait. These percentiles are important and good information, but we can just hide them to tidy up the table at this stage by clicking on this Hide EBV Accuracy button here. And we can see now that this page is updated to remove those percentages, which has just cleaned up that table a bit and helps us with our search. So there we have all the bulls listed that meet our search criteria. We've got the specific bull as well as the stud listed out there. So we can use that table now to point us in the right direction for sourcing the bulls that meet our search criteria.